again to our newly appointed director of FINEC, my cousin, Director Noel Rodriguez Andres. We are Tokayo Noel. My name is Noel Rodriguez Marquez. And long time we haven't seen each other because I was performing abroad since 1986.